the moment you arrive, this house tells you you're home. The warm and inviting entryway welcomes you with open arms. The spacious eat-in kitchen provides a lot of counter space just for you. The master bedroom is the perfect retreat from all the stress of the day. The view of the peak is great and the maintenance-free living makes coming home something you look forward to. The fireplace in the family room invites you to relax with a warm drink and your favorite book. When you take in all this home has to offer, you will begin to realize it more than what you expect. Located close to schools, shopping, and trails, you will find all you need just minutes away. This is more than a house, it's a home. For current pricing information, press 2 now.